everybody, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to make another short video showing the BlueSkySea B4K dash cam. It's recording in full 4K 8 megapixel and the full sun right now, so it's just a little past noon, so the sun's pretty much straight up. The last video I done, it was a nighttime video and overcast, so I figured the video is going to be better this time of day with the full sun straight up, so you can see how good it is. And I'll also post a link to this below. And as soon as they get their new camera out, they're going to put in a rear cam. They'll be having a rear cam that will plug right into this in the AV port. Then I'll post a link to the rear cam also, and hopefully they'll make a kit of this with the rear cam with it. That way you have front and rear as a combo. But if they do that, anytime I get something new, I'll post a link where you can check this out. But this will be the 4K video, full sun, and we'll see how it turns out. This is the audio turned on too, of course. That's why I'm talking. You can hear me talking, but you can actually turn the audio off if you don't want to hear it. If you don't want to be recording what you're saying or your music that's playing while you're going down the road, you can just turn the audio part of it off. But the layout, the display on it's great. It's easy to use, lots of features. Just a pretty good all-around 4K dash cam. So that'll be it for now. Thank you all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.